Rockstar, rock out, yeah.
Please just leave me alone.
Leave me alone.
Please stop calling my phone.
Stop calling my phone.
You treat me different, I know.
You treat me different, I know.
I can tell from your spoken
I can
tone.
tell from your tone.
It's a different love.
Different love.
It's a different love.
It's a different love.
Yeah, it's a different love.
This shit a different love.
Oh, it's a different love.
This here a different love.
Yeah, you don't know my struggles, how I depended on me and no other. Fighting to live, but I'm living a fight. You can't understand this because we're not alike. I live different than anybody. I would try to fit in with everybody. All I need is a blank slate to make changes. And I know I'm not famous, but I'm a natural born entertainer. I can't be contained, I can't stay the same. And I'm sorry to say, but I can't be that lame. I was raised in the struggle, blood on my knuckles. And no, I can't lie, I got this angelic ability that has everybody feeling me. I can rap fast and I can rap slow, but it depends on your level, little bro. Let me know if you can keep up, yeah. And let me know if I should speed up. You already